baptized in the fountain of youth. I was scrutinized for telling the truth. There's a scandal going on around here, are reflections. Looking back in the mirror, did I mention I was losing the tooth? I got to move on, got mountains to move, I got mountains. 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 Mountains to move, a transformation. We'll get a new look, I'm salivating. Get me off the hook, I need a martini. Without the vermouth, I gotta move on. Mountains to move, I got mountains. 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 Mountains to move, yeah.
The chicken bandwagon. I don't know if I'm jumping on it or not, but I figure I'd give it a shot. I done seen YouTuber after YouTuber swear that they're catching catfish, a big catfish, on chicken. So I went to my local Kroger bait and tackle store this morning, picked up some chicken breasts. I took one of them and cut it into some chunks, and I'm out here at the Tallahatchie River, see if there's any truth to it. I'm not very optimistic, to be honest with you. I feel like it might be like a regional type thing. Just like a lot of people say they can't catch catfish on chicken liver. They can only catch them on worms, where a lot of places I fish is the exact opposite. I've been doing a lot of hunting lately, and today was a down day. I got out of work on time, so I'm out here at the Tallahatchie River fishing with chicken. Let's see what happens. First fish on chicken, and it's a monster. Old monster blue cat. I thought it was gar messing with me the whole time. Chicken catches monsters. I've had tons and tons of bites. You can probably see this white pole right behind me. It's just steadily been, you know, tap, 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 tap. But it's, I don't know if it's little fish. I thought it was gar. But after that, catching that catfish right there, maybe it's little catfish. We'll try it a little longer. Something on this one. There you go. They look like the same fish I just caught. Good thing I had a 9-aught hook on there. Looks like I got another fish on right here. I'm just hung. Both. Got it out. Looks like a little better fish. Channel cat. It's a little better. Good eating size channel. That's 3 in a row. I wonder if I got some little fish on the other ones. I just don't know. All right, let's let him go. Not keeping any fish today. Caught 3 in a row on chicken. It's slow. Well, I've been getting bites the whole time. This is the 3rd spot I've been to. And it's just, like I said, you just get tap, 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 tap. And nothing really takes it down. I don't know what the deal is. And as soon as I got here, I started catching fish. Maybe it was gar in other spots, and this spot's actually catfish, so. I don't know. Let's get these 2 poles baited up and back out, see what happens. Oh, got a little fight to this one. There's the eater size channel. Just eating size, in my opinion. Number 4. All right, it's 12:16. I'm gonna go ahead and load up and head to the house. Now, what did I learn today? Chicken catches fish. Catches channel catfish, and it also catches blue catfish. It can catch eater-sized channel catfish. Does it work better than live bait or chicken liver, earthworms? I don't know. I mean, I'm definitely interested in it, you know. I kind of thought there for a minute I wasn't going to catch crap. But I ended up catching fish, and several of them in a short span. So, you know, maybe there is some truth behind using chicken for bait. Maybe next time I get a chance to go, I'll bring some cut bait or some live bait and put 2 poles of one and 2 poles of the other and see what happens then. But as for today, I'm calling it. I'm headed to the house. Alright guys, that was a few days ago. As you can see, I still haven't got my window replaced because the people I use can't get to it till Monday, so I'm gonna have to cruise around with one window down. Luckily, there's no rain in the forecast and it's been unseasonably warm. But I just want to give a quick overview of what happened. The only reason I recorded that little clip was in case insurance or the sheriff's department wanted it, but obviously somebody pulled up and what they did was they threw a big rock through this window because the rock was still in the seat, and they decided to steal some stuff from me. They took my wallet that had all my ID in it, including my social security card, so I've been having to deal with that. and it'll monitor my credit, go get a new driver's license, cancel my debit cards, keep an eye on everything. Not to mention my driver's license, you know, has my address on it, so I'm kind of worried about somebody showing up at my house and trying to get some more stuff. They took a backpack that had a lot of my hunting stuff in it, which at first I didn't think was a big deal, but as I've been trying to replace all this stuff, it's going to end up costing me about $250 to replace all the hunting stuff that was in it, because a lot of the stuff is just stuff I've acquired over the years that you didn't really think about, but it all adds up pretty quick. They took a backpack that was full of camera accessories and 3 cameras. 2 of them were just knockoff GoPros for like $100 a piece, and the other one was a pretty nice Canon Rebel camera that Natalie gave me. So that really sucks. And lastly, they took a Canik 9mm handgun out of my glove box. Luckily, I had the receipt to the gun in its case inside my house, and I was able to give the sheriff's department the serial number. So that's a good idea. Any of your guns, make sure you have the serial numbers written down to every one of them and kept in a safe place. If that guy was to go out and kill somebody with that gun, you know, that night, and left the gun there with that serial number, well, that serial number is registered to me. So that's who the police are going to come looking for, is me. So in total, it was about $1,100 to $1,200 worth of stuff, not counting the window. The window is actually fairly cheap. It's going to be $162, but the window goes under my auto insurance, and the deductible's $500, so it's not worth filing a claim. All the property goes under my homeowner's insurance. Well, the deductible's $1,000, so that's not worth filing a claim either. So I'm basically just out, and that really sucks. You know, I hate it so bad that somebody thinks it's okay to, instead of going out and getting a real job, to just take stuff from someone who does work hard for their stuff. You know, it's ridiculous, but it's the world we live in now. Shoot, I remember my parents growing up, they never locked their doors. You know, that's just how it was. And it's just not that way anymore. So I wanted to put this at the end of the video to remind everybody, number 1, about the guns. If you have a gun, make sure you have the serial number. And number 2, don't leave any valuables in your truck or car. If you're going to a boat ramp, like your hunting spot, if it's public ground, you know, anywhere, if you're just going to have your truck parked next to the road and go into some private woods, because a thief will take it. It don't matter. They don't give a crap. So, simple reminder from now on, I'm gonna have to strip everything out of my truck and carry it into the woods with me or into my boat. It's ridiculous. I hate it, and there's nothing you can do about it. You know, this guy's gonna get away scot-free. Nothing's probably gonna happen to him. I'm hoping karma catches up with him. I'm sure you want to think it's some kind of crackhead to steal some stuff like that, and they probably flipped it for $200 or $300 or for some crystal meth. You know, who knows? I'll never know, I'm sure. But like I said, I just want to remind everybody, and hopefully somebody out there can learn from my mistakes. It seems like I'm making too many videos on that here lately, but it is what it is. And I'm gonna have to get some new camera gear. I have 1 tripod left with a janky holder that's got my cell phone on it right now, so I'm definitely gonna have to do some replacing on that front before I make some more videos. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Be safe out there.
I got my business, I keep to myself. I spent a fortune. My mental health, I'm down. Down in a rut, I'm down.